Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can add the 50 EMA on NinjaTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your NinjaTrader software, then go to this icon right here, indicators. Click on it, then go to available. Scroll down and click on EMA 2 times. Okay, then go to period and change it to 50. Scroll down and here you can change the color if you want. As you can see, we have multiple colors. So let's say this one, green, and you can change the width of the line from here. So let's say 3, for example. Click on apply, and as you can see here, this is our 50 MA. If you're not happy with the color or with the width of the line, you can change it from here and click on apply. So if you are happy, just click on OK. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.